Good morning students. Today we will study about chapter 4 unit 2, that is reflection of light. So today we will begin unit 2, and in unit 2 we have to study about reflection of light. So what is reflection? Reflection of light means when a ray of light is coming from one direction and incident on a plane surface after striking on the surface, what happens? It will reflected back to the other optical medium. It will reflected back to the same optical medium with some different angle, okay, is known as reflection of light. So that means what? This is a, suppose this is a plane surface. Suppose this is a plane surface. Okay, this is a plane surface, and on this plane surface what happens? A ray of light is incident on it. A ray of light is incident on this at this point. A ray of light is incident on this at this point. And what happens? After striking here, we will draw a normal to this point. Okay, what happens after striking to this point? It will go in this direction. It will go in this direction. So making some angles. So is known as reflection of light. This ray is known as incident ray. This ray is known as reflected ray. And this is known as normal. Normal will be always at perpendicular. In a perpendicular, it is drawn perpendicular to the plane of surface. Normal is drawn perpendicular to the plane of surface. Normal is drawn perpendicular to plane surface. Okay, normal is drawn perpendicular to plane surface, and normal is an imaginary line. It is a imaginary line also. Normal is a imaginary line also. Okay, normal is also an imaginary line. So this is the diagram by which you will able to understand about reflection. What happens when in a plane surface? What happens when in a plane surface? That means this, in a plane surface, when a ray of light is incident on it, incident means striking on it, what happens? After striking here on the surface, it will go in this direction. It will follow this path. After striking here, it will follow this path. So this is known as reflection, and this ray is known as normal, and it is always perpendicular to the plane surface. Okay, so this is known as reflection of light. Now what? See, this is known as reflection of light. The ray of light may be returned by the second optical medium into the first optical medium with a change in angle. This phenomena is called reflection of light. That is what is written in your book. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we have to study about refraction also. This is reflection, and what about refraction? Reflection and refraction is the two different term. Okay, don't mix it up. Never mix it up. Refraction is a other term. Okay, refraction of light, it is a other term. Okay, reflection is the other term and refraction is the other term. What happens in refraction? See here, this is a plane surface, and in a plane surface, when a ray of light is incident like this, when a ray of light is incident like this, what happens after striking here? What happens? We will draw a normal. Okay, after striking here, what happens? It will go in other medium. This is medium 1. This is medium 2. So what happens when a ray of light is striking in a plane surface, and what happens after striking? It will go in other medium. That is, it is first medium. Suppose first medium is air and second medium is water. Okay, that means ray of light is going from where to where? From air to water. When a ray of light is going from air to water, that means they are changing, that means the ray of light is changing its medium. It is changing from medium 1 to medium 2, from air to water. Okay, ray of light is going from air to water, from medium 1 to medium 2. Then what happens when a ray of light is going from medium 1 to medium 2, that means air to water, it will bend towards the normal. This is the normal. This is normal I have drawn. This is known as normal. Okay, this is normal I have drawn. What happens? It will bend towards the normal. That means it will go in the other medium. Now this will not reflect. In reflection, what happens? It will never go to the other medium. Reflection is in the same medium. Reflection always happens in the same medium. But and what happens in reflection? We will when a ray of light is strike here, it will make some angle and go in other direction. Okay, that is reflection. But in refraction, what happens? There is a change in a medium, but in reflection there is no change in the medium. That is what the difference between reflection and refraction. Okay, now see some general term related to the reflection and refraction. Mirror. What is mirror? Mirror, you know, any smooth polished surface which can turn back the ray of light into the same medium is called mirror. Okay, mirror, we will have mirror. Take any smooth polished surface, smooth polished surface from where reflection or refraction can be possible. Okay, so mirror is a smooth polished surface. Then we will have incident ray, okay, reflected ray, normal. All these we have studied. Point of incidence, that all I have. Point of incidence. Okay, point of, all these terms I have already explained you by making the diagram of reflection of light. Again I am going to draw. Now see here, this is a plane surface, this is a ray. After striking, what happens? This is a normal and this is a other point. This is known as incident ray. Okay, this is known as incident ray. Okay, this is known as reflected ray. Okay, this is known as reflected ray. Okay, this is known as normal. This is normal. What is this point? This point is known as point of incidence. Point of incidence is this point. So all these things I have already explained you by making the diagram. Okay, so now see some other things. Now I think you are much aware about reflection and what is reflection and what is refraction. So in this chapter we have to study about reflection. Okay, in this chapter we have to study about reflection. Now see here, So now see here what happens. The laws of reflection, there is a important thing, laws of reflection. Okay, so first law, what it is said in first law, that incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Okay, incident ray, reflected ray, normal, all lie in a same plane. Okay, this is the first law. What is second law? The angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Angle of reflection is always equal to angle of incidence. Okay, the angle of the reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. So these are the two laws of reflection. That means if there is any reflection occurring, that means what? It is following these two laws. So these two laws are very important. Incident ray, reflected and normal all lie in the same plane. See here. See here, this is incident ray, this is normal, this is reflected ray, all are lying in the same plane. This is plane. Okay, this is plane, all lie in the same plane. So first law is obeying it. Now see second, angle of reflection, that means this angle. Angle of reflection, that means this angle, is always equals to the angle of incidence, that means this angle. Okay, this is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. So angle of incidence is always equals to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. This angle is always equal to this angle. So these are the two laws of reflection that is we have studied here, and I think I have already explained you all have understand it clearly. Okay, now after this there is an investigation 4.1. So what you have to do, you have to study this investigation. It is based on the laws of reflection that we have studied. It is very simple. When you will read it, you will able to understand it very easily. This is not a big very typical investigation. It is a simple investigation that we have already studied here. Okay, so investigation 4.1 you have to study. Now what we have to study next topic is lateral inversion. Next topic is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? Lateral inversion means a mirror image. Lateral inversion means mirror image. Okay, lateral inversion means mirror image. Okay, the phenomena due to which left hand side of an object appears as a right hand side and right hand side of the object appears as the left hand side is known as lateral inversion. The phenomena due to which left hand side appears as a right hand side and right hand side appears as left hand side is known as lateral inversion. is known as lateral inversion, the phenomena due to which left hand side of an some object appears as the right hand side and right hand side of an object appear as the left hand side, then that phenomena is known as lateral inversion. So that means what? It is a mirror image. Suppose in the suppose somewhere is L is written like this, okay, L, and what happens? We have placed a mirror here, okay, we have placed a mirror. Suppose this is the mirror we have placed, okay, this is the mirror. So what happened? The mirror image will be like this. Okay, this is the lateral inversion, that means a mirror image. The left hand side appear as a right hand side and right hand side appear as a left hand side. This is mirror, this is mirror. Mirror I have placed in between, mirror I have placed in between the shape L. So what happens? This is the phenomena of lateral inversion, okay, this is the phenomena of lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means a mirror image, okay. So what you have to do now? You have to study till lateral inversion. In this video I will explain only till here, that means till lateral inversion. What you have to do? You have to study this chapter till investigation 4.2, that means till that investigation 4.2 that you have to study, given on page number 63, okay. Till here I have explained, till here you have to study in this video. In next video we will study rest of the topics. So first study till here, okay. So thank you.